KXD 10 News.
This 10 News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
You just can't help but smile when you look at Peter.
We just need a lot more Peters in the world.
Yes, what a great man.
Yes.
The weather. We both take
like,
it.
no.
I'm
gonna
need
run
to
away.
take a deep breath because there's a lot coming.
I know there's a lot to break down. I'm going to try to get through everything, but I know there's a lot of concerns here with the rain and the snow and the wind. It is calm right now, 59 degrees. So breaking it all down, rain and snow will be possible Tuesday through Saturday. Is going to get a lot colder. Temperatures potentially dropping up to 20 degrees below average for some parts of the county. The strongest winds tomorrow night into Wednesday. The impacts, of course, are roadways, damaging winds strong enough to bring down trees and power lines and lead to potential power outages, but also including the potential for difficult driving conditions, especially over our mountains. Now, as we look at the current conditions, there's a storm to our south. This one is just a cutoff low. It's been out there. It brought rain yesterday, but it's going to move on to the Four Corners. The storm that's going to be impacting the rest of the week is the one sitting up north. It's going to be a slow moving system, and because it's going to be sitting over the water, it's going to continue refueling as it sits out there. As we look at the winds, high wind warnings for the coast and deserts. These are the strongest winds. The difference here is that for the deserts, the gusts could reach up to 85 miles per hour, near the coast up to 60 miles per hour. Also wind advisory. What about the inland communities here? Up to 60 miles per hour. And the strongest winds in the mountains, they could reach up to 90 miles per hour, potentially triple digits as well, with a winter storm watch. So the winter storm watch includes the wind potential, but also the snow that's going to be falling. And as you notice, that's going to last all the way through Saturday. Looking at the rain futurecast, just a little bit of rain, just a few passing showers on Tuesday, nothing major. The heaviest rainfall will come later in the week and is going to be mostly snow in our mountains. Snow levels are going to stay very low, hovering between 4,000 feet and potentially even dropping lower than that. So there's a potential that some spots could see maybe 1/10 of an inch as we begin, but this is going to be several days of rainfall. And before it's all said and done, some spots could easily have several inches of rainfall. That only takes us through Thursday, and there's potential for rain all the way through Saturday. So also looking at that heavier snow as we head into the weekend. 60 degrees at the coast tomorrow, 50s for the remainder of the week, staying below average, and those winds will make it feel a lot colder. If you have anything outside that could get blown by the wind, a good idea to bring that indoors today. Inland communities will be in the mid-60s Wednesday, 54 degrees. Mountains will stay in the 30s starting Wednesday all the way into the weekend. Also, if you have boats, you want to secure everything near the shore. The seas will range between 10-14 feet. Outer seas are going to reach potentially up to 20 feet. So this is a cold, slow-moving system with a lot of impacts all around the county. Lindsay.
Angelica.